that ang coefficient located at the diagonals ng diagonal matrix has an absolute value greater than the sum of the absolute values of the other coefficients within a given equation. For example, for this equation, ang ara sa may coefficient, ara sa may diagonal rather, is 6. And then ang sum sa other coefficients, positive 2 kaya absolute 2 plus 1, 3. So meaning kung ara sa diagonal is greater. 7 is greater than 4, 5 is greater than 3. Okay? So in this arrangement, maka-arrive ka sa unique solution. Unique solution for the given system of linear equations. Same as in this example wherein ang ginunata amuling arrangement wherein for this equation 5 is not greater than 5, 3 plus 2. 8 equal siya. This one, 9 versus 3 plus 1, 4, okay siya. And for the third, 7 versus 2 plus 1, 3, okay siya. So medyo nagka-problem na sa 3 ay equal ang coefficients sa diagonal and then the sum of the coefficients of the other terms. However, it still arrive in this arrangement o naka-arrive ka sa unique solution. So, okay lang. Okay. So, muna lang kinalain sa Gauss-Seidel Jacobi. In the case sa may Jacobi, you need further trial and error to find for the proper arrangement. Wherein sa may Gauss-Seidel, nag-specify na siya kung paano mo i-arrange ng equation.